Hey guys, it's Jackie from the Play by Sephora team.
Hi everyone, I'm David, beauty director at Sephora.
And you know what guys, it's the end of the year, holiday parties are upon us. Personally, I like to add a little oomph to my eyes during this time of year with some glitter.
Listen, I like glitter all year round, to be honest with you. So whether it's holiday season or just a fun night out, there's always an appropriate time for glitter if you ask me.
Seriously. Which is perfect because a lot of you got the Touch in Sol Metalist Liquid Foil and Glitter Eyeshadow Duo in the shade Titania in your December Play by Sephora box.
Such a beautiful shade.
Such an amazing shimmery duo. So we thought we'd show you a couple of hacks just to help you get the most out of this product, because when you are using it right, it looks phenomenal.
Amazing. First off, it's two parts in here. So there is a cream side and there is a loose glitter side. Now, if you want the full intensity of the product,
and I do,
you do want to start with the cream first and then apply the glitter afterwards. That's going to give you the most intense payoff. Okay, so the first tip with this is to make sure that you start with the cream aspect of the product and you use it one eye at a time, because it is quick setting and you want to make sure you get that eye perfect before you move on to the next one. So I like to actually just use my fingers to blend out the edges. It actually works great. So you have to see just the first step how that looks.
And this is just the first layer.
Just the first cream.
Yeah, there's a lot of shimmer there and I'm loving it.
So the second part is a loose glitter. It's so beautiful. Now it comes with a applicator itself, which is great if you want to use it that way. But my tip, the way I like to use it, if you will do me the honor of holding this for a second, is I like to actually use a dampened eyeshadow brush.
Oh, okay.
So you can either use your finger or a dampened eyeshadow brush. And this way, what you're doing is you're basically creating a little more grip for the glitter to grab onto, so you don't accidentally drop it on your foundation or under your eye, which can be a little tricky. And with this way, now that this brush is dampened, I can literally use it to really pick up that glitter and that sort of foil and pressing it right over that cream, so it really adheres in really well and easily. And it also just intensifies the color of that cream. So it's a really nice way to just sort of bump it up, you know? And that's looking really, really beautiful. So I'm gonna show you your foiled Metalist eye. Isn't that beautiful?
Whoa, I am
so
obsessed
pretty
with this.
So the final tip, which is a little bit more of a trick, I guess you would say, or
like a hack.
Is that you can think outside the box when you're using this product. While it's incredible on the eyes, as you can see, it's also really fun to use it in different ways. I like to use the sort of glittery aspect of it with my fingers, just apply it on the cheeks for a really nice, fun night out highlighter. Or if you really want to have a lip moment, put your lipstick on and apply that top coat right over your lips. That is some wow lip factor.
I like that.
It's such a beautiful product to use in many ways, and it gives you a lot of artistic freedom.
So guys, hopefully you learned a few things about how to use your new Touch in Sol Metalist Liquid Foil and Glitter Eyeshadow Duo in Titania. It's so gorgeous when you use it, especially for like events this season, holiday parties, which I know we have a lot of.
I got some parties I gotta go to. I don't know about you.
Until next time, have fun and we'll see you soon.
Bye.